Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Warzone 2 GPU driver version error easy and quick. If you want to fix it, click here, go to device manager. Now go to display adapters. If you find here two drivers, right click and update all the drivers that you will find. Go to GeForce Experience, drivers, check for updates and make sure to install the latest update that you can find, and then go to graphics settings. After that click browse, and then you will need to find here Call of Duty Warzone 2, and when you find it, add it, click add, and then scroll down. You will find it here. Let's take Valorant as an example. When you find it, click options, and then you will find it. Let's Windows this side, and then select high performance and click save. If that doesn't fix your problem, come back here, options, and select power saving and click save. And that's it. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.